Hello, this is Lookman. The theme of today's talk is the coffin, Mr. Jaaloo. I don't know if you've observed in my many videos that I've done, I'm always coughing or clearing my throat. Well, it is what it is. Medicine hasn't properly found a solution to it. I also try sometimes to find herbal remedies, etc., but they haven't really worked. So, but life has to continue, isn't it? So, sometimes I take the local orogbo, lime, lemon, ginger, onions, and so on and so forth. And sometimes Covonia and all the other medications. But especially during the winter months, yes, I do cough a lot. And sometimes when I use my vocal cords, when I do quite a bit of talking, I do cough or lose my voice. So it's what it is. So sometimes I try to improvise by outsourcing the speaking part of my content creation in order to move forward. So that's life, isn't it? The important thing is finding a solution to the problem rather than drowning in the problem itself. So, without much ado, we'll visit jaaloo.com and hopefully I'll play the game as usual. Hopefully, maybe I'll get the 100% and hopefully within 1 minute. Hopefully. So, let's press new grid and let's start. So 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 10 is 17. 7 plus 3 is 10. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 17 is 27. 10 plus 3 is 13. 17 plus 1 is 18. 1 excuse me, 1 plus 3 is 4, and 1 plus 2 is 3. Let us check. Oh ho ho, 100 points, and I did it in 43 seconds. I hope you are enjoying the series of Jaaloo demonstration videos. Basically, you need to try and fill the yellow boxes, and the instructions are on the website at jaaloo.com. And hopefully, you can play it as well. Pray it a few times a day, etc. Like I've said, it helps stimulate the thought process, helps you think logically, helps your arithmetic skills, etc. And it also helps skill boredom. So yeah, that's my little baby, jaaloo.com. And thanks once again to my friend, my colleague, Ola. I'm keeping his name anonymous, but if you go on the website, you'll find his name there. I think we started in the same primary school, and definitely we were in the same secondary school. I think we were in university as well together. We've come a long way, so I'm thankful. It helps to automate the process. We still have many more steps to go, but the beginning of 1,000 miles starts with one step. So have a wonderful time. It's Lookman signing off. Thank you very much. God bless. Ireo.